Hi there, this is Jason Sweezey from Forex U Turn. We're looking at the Great British Pound US dollar pair, and looks like we had a U-turn here in the market, so we're going to sell the pound short. So we're going to sell one lot at the market, and we're now going to place the stop and take profit. I like to do a 1-to-1 ratio, sometimes 2-to-1. So we're going to look at the swing high here, plus 5 pips. Okay, so we got 27 to the top, so 32. And that brings us to 59.64. So we'll put our stop in here right away. 59.64. Okay. So now we have the protective stop in, and now we're looking to do the same amount for the take profit. So we got 32 pips this way, and we come down 32 pips, and we're looking at 5,900 even almost. Okay, so since it's a whole number, we'll put it about a couple pips. Actually, we'll just put it near the swing low, so we'll put it at 58.94. And that should bring us, yes, right to this swing low here. Okay, so this is on the 15-minute time frame, and it's the pound US dollar we're trading here. So let's come back in a few minutes and see how this trade progresses. Hi, this is Jason back here at Forex U Turn. As you can see, we got about 13 pips profit here at the moment. Our target is around 38.8 pips, so around 39 pips. So when we see around, if we see around 18 or 19 pips or so, that'll be somewhere down here. I'll look to move the stop loss to around plus 1 pip or 2 pips, so that we lock in the trade for a few pips, and from there we're basically in a free trade. I like to do it when I see around half of the actual take profit target hit. So we'll come back in a few minutes and we'll see how that progresses, and we'll see if we hit that 50% take profit level. Okay, this is Jason here again from Forex U Turn. As you can see, we're like at the halfway midpoint to our profit target. So we're now going to lock in a few pips of profit and see if we continue our journey down to our target. So our stop is it's at 59.64, and our entry is 59.32. So we'll lock in 1 pip of profit, and we'll put that at 59.31. Okay, so here we go. There we go. As you can see, we locked in our entries right here, and we locked in 1 pip of profit. So let's see if we continue our journey down to this pivot low down here, and see if we can take about 38 to 40 pips out of the market. So we'll come back in a few minutes and see how that goes. Okay, so as you can see, we're getting very close to the target here. I think I'm going to lock in a few more pips of profit, another 5 pips or so. So we'll move that down to 27. Okay. Okay, so we locked in a few more pips, and hopefully within the next 5 to 10 minutes we'll hit our target, which is down here at this pivot, just below this pivot low. See you back in a few minutes. Okay, so it looks like we're just about to hit the target. We just got a few pips to go. Let's see if it takes it out. Got about 32 pips here in profit, 320 bucks. Okay, just one more little push, and we're gonna take it out. Oh, looks like we're about to do it. Might stall here and just totally reverse off this within a few pips here, so I might end up just taking it if that is the case. But it looks like we're going to push through. Just got a few more pips to go. Oh, it's bouncing back up. They always do that. They always buy and sell off support and resistance. But we had a strong move down here. We'll see if we can continue down and hit the target. We'll come back in a few minutes, see what happens. Well, let's see if we hit the target here now. I'm going to get ready to close this order if it keeps hesitating. We're almost there. We just need another couple pips push down and we'll get it. Is it going to do it, or am I going to close it myself? It's really stalling here at this low right here. Jeez, I'm losing my voice here. Okay. It looks like it's stalling here, so I'm just going to close the trade. Okay, there we go. So we took 31 pips on that trade, $309. We were in this trade for about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about an hour and a half. So it's pretty good for an hour and a half's work. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Once again, this is Jason Sweezey from Forex U Turn.